Hello and welcome back to the channel. You know, we're here in the garage again because after going out in the snow the other night, enjoying that, which was a hell of a blast, found a couple things that we didn't like, things that we wanted fixed. So what we're going to do today is jump into a simple mod first and foremost, and that was the interior lighting system. This car is old, it's 2005, so of course it's got halogens inside. We're going to update those to LEDs. Stay tuned. So as you can see inside the car here, it's actually quite dark. And if we turn on the lights, it's still pretty dark. So luckily, we're going to throw in some LEDs, map light, dome light, and then of course the rear tail lights. The rear license plate light. Just so cops can see it better. But we'll see what else we can do. There's no vanity light on this car. I mean, it's old. Yeah, old and simple, means lightweight, but let's get after that. Okay, so we're inside the car now, and we're gonna start with these dome lights, number one, because they're right here. All you gotta do is pry up on two little spots in the front with a flat blade screwdriver, gingerly, and then just kind of pry that down. Awesome. You have access to the bulbs. The bulbs themselves are actually, fairly simple, and you can get them from Amazon. I'll actually link the bulbs that we're replacing these with down in the description. But they come in packages like this. We're gonna give these guys a try. So after opening the packaging, I actually found that they come with a nice little tool here. This one's actually a little too big for what we're doing. But still, that's a nice little added bonus for very cost-effective LED bulbs. So here they are in the packaging. Looks pretty good. They got nice little heat sinks on the back of them. 4 LED diodes on the front side. But let's get these put in place up here. So you can see I've already got one of the bulbs out. See what they look like. Just to give you a display of the difference in brightness. That's the new LED. That's the old incandescent. Last, put the lenses back in place. Voila! How much brighter is that? Wow! So next we're gonna do the dome light here. One spot right there. Okay, so let's try this tool. 1 second. Oh, that's pretty slick. Dome light is pretty easy. It's just those 2 clips that hold it in, and there's only one of them on the 05. Okay, so let's check this out now. See how it does. Whoa! Holy macaroni! That's crazy. So, actually, let me leave these on so I have nice lighting in here. This mod, it's not a performance mod. It's barely even a mod. But I've done this with the 4Runner and the FRS, and it makes such a huge difference in terms of usability of the vehicle. So in the FRS, we do a lot of night running. I actually have red interior light bulbs in that, and that's not a style thing. It's just actually keep your night vision attuned to outside, so reduce the overall ambient lighting. This, a little bit different again. It's going to be a little bit more for filming, without a doubt. The other thing is I have kids. Kids tend to leave dome lights on and kill batteries. Well, LEDs don't take up as much battery power, so it's a little bit of precautionary. My kids have been trained well enough, but still, people forget. So anyways, great, cheap, easy way of kind of sprucing up your interior and helping it feel better. Now let's go back to the license plate and update that look. Okay, so coming back here to the back side, and you'll have to excuse me, this is another project. You guys can't see that yet. Can't see it yet, but that's gonna be awesome too. I got the work light set up because it's actually kind of a pain. Okay, so it's 2 bolts on the sides here, and that cap comes off. So you can see the bulbs right up in there. We're just gonna try to gingerly remove it with my meat hooks of hands. Why is everything so small in these cars? There we go. There we go. Okay, so we'll take the other bulb, just press it back in. Okay, so we got that in there. It's really hard to see. And it took quite a push to get it in, because the way it works is there's two compressive clips that you have to slide into. And with the angle of the bumper, it just takes a little bit of finagling, and it's really hard for you to see. So trust me, it works. And we're gonna put the lens cap back on now. Okay, the lens cap is asymmetrical, and you want the angled side to go towards the car. Okay, let's give that a little try. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, we got them on. Let's flick on the lights here and see what they look like. Got the ignition on. The lights are on. Let's take a look. Oh wow, yeah. That's way better. Okay, super cool. Awesome. Hey, big success on this project. It was a little one, obviously, but got a couple more things I want to talk about. Okay, so the other thing I had actually noticed during the winter driving was that my ABS light was on the dash. I just turned the car on. I've had the whole dash apart preparing for making this video to get to the ABS diagnostic port, which is tucked up way under the dash, and this car's had aftermarket stereo and all that kind of stuff put in it that I didn't do. So it's been a bit of a nightmare, but I just turned the car on and now the ABS light is gone, and the only thing I touched was the fuse. Self-healing car. I'm digging it, but anyways, we'll keep an eye on it, because what happened was whenever I would brake hard in the snow, one of the front wheels would lock up. I would get some type of grinding noise in the front differential. I tried it out yesterday again when I went to the Starbucks run for Christmas, you know, because you gotta have your Starbucks, and broke hard on fairly dry pavement. Didn't do it whatsoever. So, and the ABS light was on then. Now the ABS light is gone. I'm gonna button the dash up, and that'll be that. But anyways, for now, that's gonna be the end of this video. Next time though, I got something special for you. We're actually gonna put a little bit of vinyl wrap here, a little clear bra, and around the rear fender wells, just to do one more layer of protection. But why I'm doing it on the top is because we're gonna put the roof rack back on. Yeah, we're gonna tie in some LED fog / spot lamps on the top. Get real African safari spec on this. Till then, stay tuned. Thanks again. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, comment. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks again.